Are you also having a roof inspection business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roof inspection business. So as an owner of a roof inspection business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries as well as new messages from existing customers and new clients. Handling each of the message and inquiry manually every time is a confusing as well as time-consuming task. So I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, very easily I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills, that is going to automate the entire WhatsApp messages and inquiries that I am receiving, also going to automate the responses in personalized format. So every time I am going to receive a new WhatsApp messages, automatically a reply is going to be sent to the customer or the client instantly. For your business, if you also want to learn this entire process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roof inspection business. So as an owner of a roof inspection business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from existing and new customers as well as new clients regarding the duration, scheduling of roof inspections, prices, etc. Handling each of the different inquiry at the same time is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have prepared for my business, and it is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and inquiries automatically and also going to automate the responses. So first of all, let me show you that how it is actually going to work. So this is the WhatsApp number of Sky Safe Roof Inspection, the name of my business, and as a random customer, I'm going to send a message over here on this number. Hello, please share the prices. As I've sent this message, you can see instantly I got the reply. Hi, welcome to Sky Safe Roof Inspections. How can we assist you today? So we have three simple options over here. Let's say I'm going to view the packages to check the prices. As I've sent this message, you can see I got the catalog. Basic inspection is of $999. Here we have multiple. If I want to book the inspection, I can simply click on Book Now button. So to book my inspection, it is asking me some details. First of all, my name. So let's say I'm going to provide the name. As I've provided the name, it is asking me my email. Now it is asking the area. So let's say I'm going to provide. So in this way, the bot is actually going to work. If let's say the customer wants to know about frequently asked questions, you can see that here it is providing us the questions. So now let's start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can see we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this green button, sign up for free. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, not only this, but you are also going to receive 100 free tasks with this every month to explore this amazing software, also to test multiple automations, WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, and other amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the remaining credits in our account, and the WhatsApp number that we have added. Also, if you want to learn the entire step of adding a WhatsApp number, you can click on this Add WhatsApp Number button over here. We have two methods in order to add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. For both of these methods, we have separate tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn each method, you can just go and watch the video from our channel according to your preference. Also for you, I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in my description. Now, if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can also save the numbers separately by creating separate folders over here on the dashboard. All right. Now on the left side, you can see we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have inbox section, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. For each of these features, we have detailed tutorials. So if you want to learn about any of them, just go and watch it from our YouTube channel. Now without any further wait, let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we have to first of all go towards the flow section. So here we are on the flow section, and you can see these are all the bots that I've created for different purposes. Now to create a new flow, let's click on this add flow button. a blank flow is created over here for us to be prepared. Now here we have to keep in mind that the bot we are going to create for our business that I've shown you in the beginning of the video is going to be totally based on the flow that we are going to prepare over here. Flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that are to be sent to your customers or to your clients on the basis of their response. Now first of all, let me provide a name to my flow. WhatsApp chatbot for your roof inspection business. After giving the name to the flow, now you have to decide that how you want your flow to start. As I've shown in the beginning of the video, when I was receiving certain messages on my number, then my flow was automatically started. Here to start your flow, we have three options. Either you can send a template, and when you're going to receive the reply on that template from your customers or from your clients, then your flow could start. Or you can enter some keywords that when you're going to receive only those specific keywords, then your flow should start. Or either you can do one more thing. You can enter a regex over here. Regex is regular expression which helps us to identify the messages that we are receiving and start the flow automatically. We have multiple kinds of regex, but here I'm going to use a specific regex that is going to help me that whenever I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, only a single specific word, an emoji, a symbol or whatever, my flow is going to automatically start responding. So the regex that I am going to use is this. You can also use the same regex if you also want to start your flow every time you're going to receive any kind of message. Now, as my flow is going to start, first of all, I'm going to send a message to the customers or to the person who is chatting with me as a text plus button message so that I can provide some buttons as well. They can select the buttons according to their preference and requirements. Hi, welcome to Sky Safe Roof Inspection. How can we assist you today? So you can see I have made the name of my business bold by adding stars. And now I want them to answer that how can I assist them? So I'm going to provide them three buttons. They can select them according to their requirements. First button is going to be if they want to book inspection. The second button is going to be if they want to view the packages we are providing. And the third button is going to be frequently asked questions if they want to know about general details. Okay, so we have three buttons over here. I've attached three buttons. In a similar manner, you can add buttons according to your requirements. For each of the three buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. If the customer or the client wants to book the inspection for their roof, so I'm going to collect their details first of all. So here I'm going to ask a question to them. And here I'm going to select ask question. For that, I will simply connect it with my button like this. And the question that I'm going to ask them is, let's get your inspection schedule. Please share the following. First of all, I'm going to ask their full name. And I'm going to make this bold. Okay. I want to ask the full name, and because I want to collect it permanently, I'm going to directly select it from contact custom field. So I'm going to select contact custom field as full name. The format of this field is going to be text. If you want to provide the number of reattempt chances to the customers or clients, you can enter the number and the validation message over here. How to select contact custom field? From the left side here, you can see we have settings option. You can go towards contact custom fields. When you will open it in a new tab, you will be able to add as many details as you want to collect in this contact custom field section. Further, when you're going to receive the replies from your customers or from your clients with these details, they will be automatically and permanently added in the contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, but in your communications further, you will be able to use it. Also, if you want to share these details automatically to any other application such as Google Sheets for creating a record, to Google Chat in order to send them to your team members, you can connect those applications as well with the help of API request. Okay, now here as I'm going to collect the full name, then further I'm going to ask them another question about their email. Okay, let me connect it. And here, in order to make the communication more personalized, I'm going to address the customer along with their name. So I'm going to enter OK. And here I'm going to use star and I will add a $sign. Now I'm going to enter the contact custom field like this. OK, full name. And here now I'm going to enter. Please share your email. Now, as I've used $sign, the data is become dynamic and automatically with every new response, it will get replaced. Okay. Now here I want to collect the email. So I will select email and I want the format, and the format of the email is going to be email only. The next detail which I want to collect is the address or the area of the customer. So I'm going to enter. The third is area, and this is going to be again in contact custom field. The next I want is their preferred date of roof inspection. The fourth detail. Okay. And here I'm going to select contact custom field as date. Alright. Now as we have collected the details, now further I'm going to send them a message as Thanks, your inspection request has been received. Our team will reach out soon to confirm your appointment. Okay. Now, let's save the flow. We will move forward then as the flow is saved and updated. The next button we have is for viewing the packages. If the customer wants to view the package, I'm going to send them a catalog in the image format. So I have selected media message. I've selected image as the media type, and I'm going to upload the image from my computer, the catalog. So this is the image with the price. I have attached the catalog, and now I'm going to enter the caption as want to book inspection, and here I'm going to attach a button, book now. If they are going to click on the button, again I'm going to ask their details, and the flow is going to continue further. The next we have is the FAQ. So if the customers or the clients wants to know about the frequently asked questions, so I'm going to provide them the details. Okay, and done. Now let me save the flow quickly, and I'm going to show you whether the flow that we have created is properly working or not. I've used some basic elements, but if you want, you can use as many elements as you want. Now let me quickly take you towards WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp number, as you can see, of SkySafe Roof Inspections. Now I'm going to send a message as a client over here. Hi, I need help. As I have sent this message, you can see we got the reply. This means that yes, our flow is properly working, and now you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your roof inspection business without any coding and programming skills. I hope this entire process is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.